Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Skyway Classics. Today we're looking at this drop-dead gorgeous 61 Corvette Fullie. It's a 275 horse, one of 118 if I'm not mistaken. And man, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm not an NCRS judge, but if this does not get top flight, they should all be fired. Everyone should quit because this thing is that nice. Insanely gorgeous. It was restored about 6 years ago. And you can definitely tell. It was a frame off restoration as well. And it's only been driven 2,000 miles since that restoration. I mean, just come in close. Everything, all the details, all the trim, all the knobs, everything on this car is just absolutely mint. So nice to see cars like this. And man, it drives really nice too, which we're going to go find out. So let's go ahead and hop on in there, Max. Let's go for a cruise. All right, let's go ahead and crank her. Fires right up. Purrs like a kitten. Let's go ahead and go on the exhaust too. I'm gonna give her a little gas. You guys can hear how she sounds. All right, let's go see what this puppy can do. Oh yeah, checked it very smooth, no resistance. I'm not getting any negative feedback from the road. Brake check here, perfectly straight. Nice little downshift to second from fourth, and synchros are really nice. Driving car. And I'm 6'2", and I've been there pretty dang good. Man, I like this a lot. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do. Oh, by the way, all gauges work, which is really nice too. Speedometer, tachometer, the whole 9 yards. So, but we're gonna go make a U-turn. We'll get her on the lift, and we'll show it to you guys in the air.